Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable read receipts on Messenger. So if you want if you doesn't allow someone to see you have read or unread the message, you guys can just simply turn on or disable the read receipt settings in your Messenger. So what you have to do is just simply open up the Messenger application on your mobile phone and make sure that you are using the latest version of Messenger. So I'm just opening up the Messenger. Now you have to just simply tap on the top left corner of three lines. So after tapping on that, now you have to just simply go to settings by just tapping on top right corner of setting. So here what you have to do is just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the privacy and safety. So here is the privacy and safety. You have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, you have to just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the read receipts here. You guys can see here in the section what people see. Here is the option read receipts. Just simply click on it and you guys have to simply toggle it off. So after toggling it off, people will not be able to see you have read or unread their message. So this is the only way to disable read receipts messenger settings. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.